Yes, are we live? Okay, okay. Uh, Give me a minute. So, how many people are waiting? So, as I cannot see, I have been opening this Google slide. That's the reason I cannot see the people over there. Can anyone help me? So, can you tell me the viewers count? Number of people there waiting?
It seems 15 are waiting outside.
Okay, okay. 15 people are waiting. Okay, fine. So let's wait for a while and then kick off. Mm, Till then, let's go with a few basic questions. So, team, how are you?
Yeah. Fine,
Great,
Kaushik.
Kaushik.
Fine, fine.
What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing good. So, what have you been doing these days? So, past 7 months we are at home, right? So, what have you been doing?
Engaging with some new stuff like learning new things.
That's a very kind of thing.
Vinay is always on that track only, learning the new things.
Vinay kind of thing. So, Saikran, can you please help me update viewers count? You're on mute. So you're on mute and you're speaking. Okay, okay. So exactly we'll start at 6:10. Let's wait for 5 more minutes and then we'll start.
Okay then.
Okay, team. I'll come in 2 minutes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So, Venkatesh, let's plan some activity for them. For the 25 people who are there online. So, let's plan something for them.
Yeah, I'm on the way.
We have got a treasure box of activities today. So, let's grant them one. So, give them one of the activity and they'll be doing that meanwhile.
They're much hungry about the things. Meanwhile, they can engage with the things.
Yeah. So I hope today's session would be very interesting and you all will be involved in this session. And with an impact of DSC-GMRIT, you'll be returning to your beds. That thing I'll assure. So Kiran, please tell me at what time shall we kick off? Okay, at that time I'll begin. Let's commence our session at that time. Okay. So if the viewer count reaches around 50, so we'll be good to go. Okay. Yeah. Venki, so have you given them the activity that we have planned?
Yeah, I have already given them the activity. I think.
Okay. So as I can't see what people are posting over there, so okay. Please update me about what they are telling and what they are commenting in the chat box. Okay. So keep updating me. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So as we are all at home, pardon, Sai Kiran? Okay, okay. So good evening all. Welcome to DSC-GMRIT's first event. I know what kind of questions might be revolving in your mind. What is DSC-GMRIT? Why we have this community? Aren't the clubs present at our college enough? How DSC-GMRIT is gonna be different from others? Have patience for a while. We'll clear all your doubts and in the session and explain. You can and explain how you can avail the advantages and benefits our community provides to you. You might now be wondering who's this anonymous person So let me introduce myself. I am Kaushik Modekurti and I am from final year, GMR Institute of Technology. And I am DSC lead for our college, that is for GMR Institute of Technology. Now, what a DSC is? This question might definitely have popped up in your mind. These vague things will become crystal clear in a while. Buckle up and tune your mind for an engrossing ride with DSC-GMRIT. Chalo then. Allow me to open something for you. Okay, so I'll be showing you something. So I hope this presentation is visible to all. Is it visible? Yeah. So can you see it in full screen mode? Chalo. Okay. Now quickly let's do an activity. Quickly let's warm up for the info session and answer me how many technologies you are aware of. So these are all Google technologies. Now quickly comment in the chat box. How many technologies you are aware of out of all these. So first tell me what does this signify. So what does this symbol symbolize? What does this logo symbolize? So comment it in the chat box, and Kiran or someone can just help me whether they are answering or not. Okay. So this symbol, first this symbol, this logo. Yeah, many of them could answer. Like we are also planning in a few days. We are planning an event on the technologies. So this is Android Studio. This is Google Maps, and this Kiran. I hope my cursor is visible. Is it visible? My cursor, my mouse. Okay. So this is side mount. So after this session, we have been we have planned a few events. So in those events, we'll be enlightening you more about these technologies. For present, just listen to the names, and I definitely assure you, after some time, you'll be very familiar to these technologies. Okay, so this is Google Assistant. Again, this is Google Cloud Platform. This is Play Store, and this is for TensorFlow. Okay, and this is the platform on which right now you are, YouTube. So it is also a Google product. And next comes the most frequently used technology by Google, and it is nothing other than Android. And the final one, my favorite one, Firebase. Okay, so let's start. Kick off with the session then. Now let me show you what DSC is. So what Developer Student Club. So I'll show you a small video. Okay, so if there are some network issues, bandwidth lags, so you can just tell me, any of you, my team members, core team members, so you can just interrupt me at that point of time and tell me that I have been getting a network lag. Is it okay?
Yeah, fine. Fine.
Yeah. So see this video. I have a few questions for you after this video.
America. And I'm Coleman. We're from Google Developers. And here to tell you about Developer Student Clubs. Developer Student Clubs train thousands of student developers globally and work with their communities to solve real-life problems.
I'm sure you're curious how it works. Google selects amazing students from across the globe once a year to be a Developer Student Club lead and start a club on their campus. These clubs host workshops to help students learn about Google technologies.
And they work with local businesses, startup NGOs, even their universities to build real solutions for real problems.
These leads believe knowledge is power and that technology can do extraordinary things for the world.
They take on the responsibility to help students learn and empower these students to solve real problems around them.
Through this experience, they not only bridge the gap between theory and practice for students,
So I hope you have seen this video, and now I have got a few questions for you. Okay, so my first question is, do you now wish to become a DSC lead just like me? So are you fascinated by seeing this video? So here in this video, you might have heard that DSCs actually establish a community at their college and solve real life problems, and they believe that knowledge is power. So that's very right. Knowledge is power. Learning things just for job is really not that good. So whenever you learn anything, you should just know to apply it. Okay. So now let me show you what DSC is. Like till now I have been using the abbreviation DSC, 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 DSC. So now I'll be telling you what DSC is. DSC is Developer Student Clubs, and these clubs of actually these clubs are actually college clubs of Google developers for incorporating theoretical skills into practical. We at DSC-GMRIT cultivate the culture of inviting students to join, learn with us, and grow with us. Like people may be like even undergraduate or graduate, so doors are actually open for all. We give you a platform to project your skills through our events and assist you to gain knowledge from your parallels, seniors or even juniors. So people training you in the sessions can be even your parallels or even your juniors or even your seniors. So you can learn. So we'll be training you in a peer-to-peer learning environment. Okay, so we are strong believers of technology with a vision of uplifting deprived in the society with technology. So what we do is we empower the local communities and businesses with the technology. So we'll be approaching them and we'll be asking them for their problems and we'll try to solve it with the technology that we have. So that was about Developer Student Clubs DSC-GMRIT. Okay, so moving to the next thing, meet my team. First, let me introduce myself to you.
Kaushik?
Yeah, Vinay.
Hello?
Yeah, Vinay.
Many are interrupting that there is a problem with live.
Problem with
is it going good?
Kiran, is it going good?
Yeah, I think it's now adjusted.
Actually, live is perfectly fine. Problem might be at their end because see, there will be definitely
No,
a certain.
Actually, many of them is complaining about that to me also.
Okay. So can you connect your hotspot, Kiran? Mobile hotspot?
Okay then. Please proceed.
Okay, then let me carry forward. So let me take the initiative and introduce myself to you. So now, as you know my name and that I'm a lead, I take the privilege to throw some light on my skills. I'm good at server-side scripting and writing API services for integrating web stuff and Android. I'm also known for good speaking skills. My skills can aid my team to come up with an efficient solution and bring development part to the shore. I will also take the charge to introduce a very good-hearted and knowledgeable person of our team, Mr. Chandrasekhar sir. He is actually the faculty advisor of DSC-GMRIT, and he has helped us always with his valuable suggestions. Now I invite Chandrasekhar sir to introduce himself and speak.
Yeah, good evening all and hi to everyone. So myself Chandrasekhar Reddy, a senior assistant professor in the Department of IT and the faculty advisor for Developer Student Clubs GMRIT. And I warm welcome to all the participants for this info session by Developer Students Club GMRIT. So GMRIT located at Rajam, Andhra Pradesh. So, and my responsibilities as an advisor for DSC-GMRIT, I'm responsible for guiding the team and advising, helping the group to fulfill the mission and adhere to the college guidelines and policies. And I will coordinate with the team and come up with action plan to execute smoothly the event smoothly. And coming to my skills and areas of interest, so I mean robotic process automation and cyber security. So are my areas of interest. So and thank you very much for this giving this opportunity to the team, and so all the best for the team. Over to Kaushik.
It's now time for Santosh to hold the baton and take the charge.
Hello everyone, I am Santosh Burada. I am one of the native Android developer in the community. I develop apps specifically for Android operating systems. I am responsible for many things while developing an Android application, like designing, submitting the Android application, continuous evolution of the application, application, and implementing the new methods to maximize the efficiency of Android application. Apart from these, I also passionate about the photo and video editing. I assist my media and creative team to bring some really good posters and flyers.
Good evening, everyone. I am Johi. I am a social media handler and graphic designer of DSC-GMRIT Institute of Technology. Designing is everywhere, from every app on our mobile to every website on the internet. Even the platform that we are going live is also having a particular design. This is the work of all the designers around the world. Here, I design posters, videos, and also handle social media for our club, which not only helps to depict our ideas to the world, but also to collaborate with other communities as well.
Hello everyone, I am V. Sai Teja. I am joined. Is anything? Okay. Hello everyone, I am V. Sai Teja. I am. What's the problem?
You're perfectly audible.
Hello. Is it audible? Cycle is it audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Yeah.
Yeah, it is audible.
Yeah, okay. Hello everyone, I am Sai Teja. I am PhD Django blockchain developer in our community. Through this platform, I want to share my thoughts, develop and contribute my skills which will be helpful for the society and to the community and to me. Thank you.
Venkatesh, over to you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Venkatesh Novala and I belong to 4th year ECE department of GMR Institute of Technology and I am a DSC 14 member. My specialization is IoT. In IoT, it is one of the most emerging technologies nowadays. In pandemic situation, IoT integrated with many CSS technologies and emerging into a different shape, different shapes. Nowadays, everyone tend to automate their own works using technologies. This is where IoT plays a major role. Today, I would like to push you to our community to reach your expectations of learning in no time. Thank you.
Yeah, hi Kiran. I am from Kakinada. I am studying 3rd IT in GMRIT Institute of Technology. I am specialized in Firebase. Firebase is a cloud service which is recently provided by Google. We can, by using Firebase, we can integrate our Android app, web applications, and iOS applications with the backend services provided by Firebase. We can also provide notifications to the apps also with Firebase. Hoping to teach you Firebase in the team, in the community. Thank you.
Yeah, it's my pleasure to introduce myself today here. It's like a honor to me. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vinay Sriram. I am pursuing my BTech second year in IT department in GMR Institute of Technology. So coming to my personal interest, I am very much passionate about web development. So hope I would correct my point. So every day we can't imagine a day without the web. So I have much passionate about taking the part in that area. So I am very much happy to be the integral part of DSC as a core team member. I hope this platform will lay down a huge impact in GMR and many students get benefited by learning new technologies. Thank you.
So this was only not the only, this wasn't the only team of DSC-GMRIT. Our entire college is with us. So there have been our principals, our vice principals, and all the HODs, department HODs who have actually supported us and helped our community to evolve and even supported us to organize our first event, so info session. So I'll also extend my acknowledgements and I'll extend my thanks to them too. So this was actually my team, DSC-GMRIT. Now moving to the next, allow me to show what we are going to travel through this meeting. Okay, so the first one is why DSC-GMRIT has evolved, how DSC-GMRIT works, about DSC-GMRIT, DSC-GMRIT applications demo, frequently asked questions, explanation, how DSC-GMRIT is shaping today's tomorrow. So this today's tomorrow is like a word really very confusing, but don't worry, we'll be clearing this word in the session 2. And finally, we'll be telling you about solutions challenge. So,
Kaushik,
over to you, Santosh.
1 minute, Kaushik. Saitran, please check the comments that they're complaining about eco or something.
Yeah, over to you, Santosh.
Yeah, this is Santosh again. Uh, as a developers, we build things. We build applications, websites, and also sometimes we also develop meme generators at sometimes. As a developers, we have to approach local organizations and NGOs to solve a problem specific to them, or to identify and solve a shared problem for a group of these organizations. By doing this, as a responsible citizen, you can transfer your surroundings. Establishing to identify and solve the problems we need a group of people who share their mutual interest to build the solutions to the problem. This is called community. In this type of communities, you can find your goals and achievements. And, and establishing a community is not an only primary goal. For any community, a solid support is needed. Here it is where Google DSC plays a major role. Google DSC provides its immense support to students who want to transfer their local communities to a well-being organized communities. By all these means, we can help the people to change the living standards of deprived with the help of our community. In our club, in DSC-GMRIT club, the point of technology is to build solutions to local problems. By doing these things, we can transfer our own local community into a modern era where technology can be used. The next thing is how DSC-GMRIT works. The next thing is how GMRIT works. There are few principles on which we operate here. Here are they. The first thing is DSC-GMRIT is completely driven by students. We organize the events for the benefits of the other students. To our peers, the more you share the knowledge and things, the more you evolve and grow. If you identify a problem, it should be our solution to solve. This fine evening, you are a student listening to our session. After joining our community, you will be a learner. While learning at some point in time, you can be a mentor. You can mentor your juniors or your seniors. While mentoring after finding your leadership culture, so that can lead to a community.
Yeah, that was very good. So that was actually very good. So Santosh, thank you for telling about how DSC-GMRIT works and why DSC-GMRIT has evolved. So I hope now students might be clear about DSC-GMRIT, how does it operate and what does it what's the significance of DSC-GMRIT. Now Venkatesh will tell you more about DSC-GMRIT community.
Yeah, Venkatesh again. I would like to take the opportunity to deliver a content from my side. Coming to our community, let me tell you that ours is the biggest community of developers in the world. Believe it or not, there are actually more than 2 power 10 DSCs around the globe. Out of them, 2 power 8 DSCs are in India itself. Oh, I mean, look at the ratio, 1:4. And that's why I love India and DSC. This means that many students across India strive to gain their knowledge towards a fruitful progress. So we, the DSC-GMRIT community, is here to help you to achieve your goals of knowledge, which targets of both personal and in the point of view of society. No other community I know does this. Now that's why I suggest you to join our community. Let us show you how to do that. Over to Kaushik.
So Venkatesh has really explained. You can see the ratio. So 278 DSCs in India itself, out of 1026 DSCs around the globe. So 270 DSCs house in India. So that's what really great. And we are one among 278 DSCs in India. And our is the only club which harnesses student knowledge to empower the local businesses and to help them to uplift their standards. So now I'll be showing you how to enroll yourself for DSC-GMRIT. So you can just go to Google and search for DSC-GMR Institute of Technology. So search for this, and on this page, on the Google itself, our site would be indexed probably first or second. So now you can open this dsc.community.dev, and in that you can find our community, our college page. So this is our college page. This is GMR Institute of Technology's page. So as I'm a member, I have logged into it. Now I'll log out from this page. So see, if you join, if you search for like DSC-GMRIT, you'll get a kind of this page. So when you click on join us, it will be asking you to sign in through your Gmail ID. And once you log in through your Gmail ID, you need to actually fill some information. You need to update your avatar and why you are actually willing to join DSC community. So those kind of things. If you update and hit the submit button, you'll be a member of DSC-GMRIT. Once you are a member of DSC-GMRIT, here I'll be able to see you. So this is my dashboard, and in my dashboard I'll be able to see all my members. So this is how I keep all my DSC members, all my DSC community team, community members happy. So I regularly post them, I regularly message them about relevant events and help them grow and evolve. So next thing. So I hope everybody was clear how to join DSC-GMRIT community. So next thing, DSC-GMRIT applications demo. Saikiran, can you throw some light on DSC-GMRIT applications demo?
Yes, Kaushik. Food for All is the first demo. Food for All is the first application developed by. Hello.
Okay, I think you forgot to unmute your mic.
Hello.
Yeah. It's not Google.
Yeah, Food for All is the first application developed by DSC-GMRIT Institute of Technology. We have developed on the basis of use case of there are deaths due to loss of hunger. So we came before to solve the problem because DSC is the problem solving the local problems, right? So we have developed an Android application which caters the needs of the society. So by using this Food for All application, we can the master plan behind the DSC-GM Food for All app is the donor will update the food details in the application, and the volunteer will be going to the house and will be picking up the food and will be delivering the food to the needy or the nearby NGOs. And the exclusive feature which we have given in this app is we have a screen for the volunteer safety also. While the volunteer will be delivering the food, we have seen how the volunteer is being delivered, is it safe for the volunteer. So, and what you are waiting for, you can download the application on Play Store also. You can go and search in Play Store for Food for All, or you can search in Google for Food for All Play Store. You can download it app and show your responsibility towards the society. Thank you.
Now I'll show you how can you download this Food for All. So search for Food for All Google Play Store, and when you search for it, you'll find this link. Okay, so this is our Food for All apps icon logo. So if you visit Play Store and if you search for Food for All, you'll get this. And I really would like to tell you, this is a wonderful application. So do download it once and show your social responsibility towards good cause. Okay, so next thing, moving on to the next slide. So here are some frequently asked questions. So now I'll be explaining, I'll be reading these frequently asked questions, and my teammates will be answering. Okay, so first question is, I am a non-IT student. Can I join DSC? And if I can, how DSC can fetch me opportunity to evolve? So my teammates, can anybody answer this question?
Yeah, hello guys, Venkatesh again. Let me answer this frequently asked question, and I think this suits my thought before joining DSC-GMRIT. If you are a non-IT student, can you join DSC, and how about your opportunities? Yeah, let me tell you about a fact that a core team member of each team himself is a non-IT guy. It's me. I belong to ECE. Yeah, let me tell you about the. Let me tell you a sentence. Knowledge has no limits. It has in that context. I would like to justify it by learning other technologies that belong to CSIT, which can be applicable to my own domain, that is IoT. Hence, I'm an IoT developer in this team. However, this knowledge of you will help in the society. Hence, you can learn as well as contribute, even if you don't belong to these CSIT branches.
Yeah, so I hope like Venkatesh explained it very clearly. So he's the only guy from EC department. So he's from non-CSIT branch. So he has a better knowledge about this question. So that's the reason Venkatesh might have answered this question. Moving on to the next question. What are event costs? So do I need to pay anything to DSC for participating in its events? So who amongst my team will answer this question?
I'm going to answer it.
Yeah.
No, we don't charge any kind of fee for the events. All the events are free of cost. What matters for us is quality of events that we are conducting and the knowledge we are transferring. That's it. We also provide swags to the students. Those include t-shirts, bags, and stickers.
So actually, Juhi spoke about a very good thing. So we actually believe in quality of the event which we plan. So we won't be charging any amount, and trust me. So you are going to get really a very quality event at free of cost. So that's the unique thing about DSC-GMRIT. Moving on to the next question. I'm a part of other communities in our college or outside my college. Why should I join you? So this question might have popped up in your mind. Now, who in my team will answer this question?
Yeah, Kaushik. I think I can answer this question because I experienced this thing. This community, I pick up some differences between our community and other communities. Our community is this community helps you to see beyond your college work, And the second point is, in real life, teamwork is what gets things done. The DSC-GMRIT teaches you the value of teamwork. You will be dealing with clashing opinions and different personalities in the team. At the end of all, you will have learned more than you did before joining the DSC-GMRIT. And the third thing is, DSC-GMRIT provides you with opportunities. It opens you to a whole new network of people, clubs, and companies that can take you further. These are the major differences between our community and the other community. This is the main difference between our community and the other communities which are in outside of our college and in our college.
So Santosh has very rightly said. So we'll be teaching you teamwork. So today you are listening as a student, and once you join us, there might be a day when you will be hosting session like this, and you will be addressing the audience. You'll be talking to the audience. So this is how DSC. This is how beautifully DSC-GMRIT actually works. So I hope this might have satisfied your question. Moving on to the next question, events conducted by DSC-GMRIT. So what kind of events will you be able to participate once you join DSC-GMRIT? So this question will be answered by Sai Teja and me myself.
Okay. Yeah, we are going to conduct many events like info section, tech talks, code spins, demo days, boot camps, community management sessions, applied skill development events, and DSC story narrative sessions, solution challenge, hackathons, and many more. The events will be explained by Kaushik.
So now I'll explain you what these actually events are. So as my friend Sai Teja said, as my team member Sai Teja said, that first event, info session. So this is what info session is. So info sessions are basically conducted for creating awareness and conveying our thoughts to you. Next thing, code sprints. Sai Teja has spoken about code sprints. So code sprints are nothing other than codeathons and hackathons, which your college also conducts. So our college too conducts codeathons and hackathons. Next is community management session. So this is a kind of good event, very beautiful event. Actually refer to what we actually do in these sessions is we'll approach local authorities, be it police or be it municipal authorities. We'll go to them, we'll talk to them, we'll collaborate with them, and collectively we'll come up with a solution for betterment of the society. So this is what about community management. Next thing, tech talks. Sai Teja was speaking about tech talks. So tech talks actually refer to events where we'll be inviting guest speakers. So wondering who these guest speakers might be? For your astonishment, guest speakers will be Googlers. So Googlers will come and they'll address you, and they'll address you with the knowledge what they possess. So this knowledge will definitely gonna enlighten you and change the perspective of how you have been doing things till now. So this was about tech talks. Coming to the next event, so boot camps. Throughout the year, throughout our journey, we'll be organizing boot camps and workshops. So in these workshops, you'll be learning many new Google technologies and wondering that will DSC-GMRIT only enlighten you or explain you or train you in Google developer technologies? No, we'll be actually training you in various other technologies too. So we have got Chandrasekhar sir with us, and he's an expert in robotic process automation, which is a non-Google technology. Okay, so don't worry guys, we'll be explaining you and we'll be training you on non-Google technologies too. Coming to the next event, Sai Teja has mentioned that we also will be conducting applied skills session. Now I think that applied skills session might strike some thought in your mind. Do you know what applied skills is? Anybody commenting in the chat box what applied skills is? So anybody has any idea? If anybody has got any idea about applied skills, please do post in chat box. And Kiran, please update me, okay? So any message in the chat box? Fine, I'll be going with the explanation. So applied skills refer to the soft skills. Okay, so it will, DSC-GMRIT will even teach you how to talk to your elders, how to talk to your peer group. So soft skills, and even when you attend any interview, so how to talk to them, how to convince them. So this is what we do in the applied skills session. So I hope I might have covered. And next, demo days. Sorry for missing that. Demo days are actually quite very interesting. So demo days, actually in the demo days, what we do is year long we'll be working on projects, and in these projects, not only DSC-GMRIT core team or DSC as myself, we don't work. So we'll be also involving DSC community students. So whoever we feel very interested and fascinated to learn new technologies, we'll also seek help from them, and they'll be also involved in they will be also developing the projects, and I bet no other club and no other society in our college or outside our college would emphasize on building real life projects. So they might teach you, they might train you, they might conduct workshops, but are they really emphasizing on societal development? So no other community other than DSC would actually do that for you. Next, so solutions challenge. Finally, this is actually a grand event which is conducted by Google and developer student clubs collectively. So this about this event I'll be explaining at last. Moving on to the next question. Benefits of joining DSC community. So how do I get benefited if I join DSC-GMRIT community? So who will be answering this question?
Yeah, I'm very happy to answer this question. So let me answer this. So as my teammate earlier said that DSC is a platform where we can fill the gap between theoretical and practical knowledge. Yes, it's absolutely right. Here we can hands-on some live projects. Here is a lot of benefit for the student to engage in the real-time scenarios. Our Food for All is a live example that how we can contribute something to the society. So not only that, many are benefited in this by DSC. This is a great opportunity to contribute something to your society from this platform. So every enthusiast can participate in live workshops and many things. And one of those greatest event conducted by Google is Solutions Challenge. Kaushik may intimate to you at the end of the session. So there is a chance to participate in the annual DSC challenge. So our core team members strongly believe this point, this famous saying, we are all familiar and we are all following the same point. When I in the word illness is replaced by we, even the illness becomes wellness. That is the team matters here. The healthy community matters here. There are all the benefits you get benefited from by joining the DSC. Not only this, many more have been there. Let me tell one point and conclude this. So teach me, I may tell me, I may forget. but teach me. I may or may not remember, but involve me. I will learn. This is the motto of our team. So thank you. There's many more benefits you will be seen in further days. So I hope you will be the benefited one. So thank you.
So Vinay has actually has put really very wonderful and thought-striking things. So he said that if we replace I in illness with we, so it becomes wellness. So see how beautiful it is. So this is how DSC-GMRIT is. So we believe in the wellness of all, and at the end Vinay has also said, so DSC-GMRIT strongly believes to involve students. So we have even showed you how to join our community. So if you join our community, I assure you, you'll be learning things with us, you'll be evolving with us, and you'll be growing with us, and definitely you will reach a really very good shore at the end. So I hope I have covered all the questions that might be popping in your mind. So if there are any other questions, feel free to post it in chat box. So I'll definitely acknowledge them too. Moving on to the next thing, how DSCs are shaping today's tomorrow.
For everything that we do, must have a plan. So first we will plan and make a layout, then we develop the solution for the problems. Work small and impact big. Don't need to work more. Just work weekly and show the impact of your work on the society. Meet, collaborate, and solve. We will meet local authorities like police, municipal officers, and communicate with them. And know the problems that everyone is facing. Thereby, we will find the solution.
Yeah, so one more thing I would like to add over here, how DSCs are shaping today's tomorrow is, what we do at DSC is, we do KTs. I hope all of you are familiar with the term KTs, knowledge transfer. So we believe in knowledge transfer. Whatever we possess, whatever the knowledge we possess, we actually believe in sharing that knowledge with you too, so that you also emerge one day as a good mentor. So this is how things work at DSC-GMRIT. Now the final thing and the most interesting thing, solutions challenge. Coming to solutions challenge, this is actually an annual event which is collectively organized by developer student clubs, and even developer student clubs are also a part of Google community only. So Google, and along with the support of Googlers and along with the support of developer student clubs, so we organize an event once in a year in the month of January. So in this event, around the globe, so teams from all around the world will be participating. So it is a global level competition. So here are a few fundamental things that you should remember while participating in the solutions challenge. So if you have got complex technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and blockchain, cybersecurity, you might have made use of it. But if you couldn't create an societal impact using that prototype or the product you have developed, it might not be of use. So you might not be recognized and appreciated. So guys, this point is now for us. Naive technology, large impact. So go with simple technology, but with the potential to create large impact. So this is what DSCs do. DSCs go with very easy technologies, very little things, but they focus on the concept of creating large impact. Here, impact refers to reaching out the public. So how much you are helping the society. So that's what matters. Even Google in the solutions challenge identifies this kind of quality. If your project has got this kind of quality, then you'll be recognized. I'll give a small example. So recently I have shared a demo day link with you. I hope it might have reached you. So in the demo day, so in the solutions challenge, among top 10 members, there was a team from Ghana, South Africa. So that team was actually, they didn't make use of any big technology, or they didn't make use of artificial intelligence or machine learning or cyber security or these kind of heavy words. So they made a very simple Android app, and you know that Android app has a potential to reach out many people, and it was one among top 10 teams in the entire world. And that Android app was actually to help the needy people. When I say the word needy people here, to be very specific, this project was actually helping the people during the times of accident. So if someone faces or someone meets with an accident, so immediately what people can do, other people can do over there is they can immediately open this application and they can immediately update that at this specific location someone has been injured badly, and within seconds local authorities which will reach you. So this wasn't possible only with DSC. So this wasn't possible only with the part only on the part of DSCs. So DSCs took help of local communities. They took help of health department. So health department collaborated with them, and in this way they achieved. So it created a lot of impact, and you won't believe this was top 10 projects. So one among the top 10 teams in the entire world. So this is how simple solutions challenge is. So the next thing, points to be remembered while participating in the solutions challenge. First, what we need to do is identify the problem, talk to the people. So this is what actually DSC-GMRIT also will do. So we talk to the people, we understand their problem. So after understanding a problem, it will be their problem, but solution will be ours. We'll be proposing the solution. So we'll be coming up with a solution, and we'll be making sure that that solution helps them. After proposing a solution, we'll talk to them again, and this will happen in an iterative manner. Okay, so if whatever we develop doesn't actually satisfy the purpose, so again we'll reiterate, iterate over to the previous, we'll roll back to the previous milestone, and then we'll again propose the solution, and accordingly plan the solution framework. So here, so by saying solution framework, I mean to say the UI part and the backend part, which technologies we'll be making use of. So planning them before developing is very essential. So we'll be planning the solution framework. Once we have planned the solution framework, now we are ready to dive into the technology. Now we are ready to develop the product. So this is what we do year long. So DSC-GMRIT will also do the same thing. So we'll be identifying students who are really very interested, and with the support of those students, we'll be participating in the solutions challenge. And believe me, to participate in the solutions challenge and to participate in this global level competition, you need to be a member of DSC-GMRIT. So DSC-GMRIT. So while it, join now our community, DSC-GMRIT community. Okay, so and next thing, so what is the criteria upon which upon which solutions challenge when a top 10 teams will be identified? So the first and foremost criteria is the impact. So 50% of the weightage would be given to the impact. So Google it by itself will be checking with some evidences. If you provide some evidences that you have done really something good for the society, only then you will be accepted. So 50% of the weightage lies in the impact, what you have created, what your product have created, what your project have created. So believe me, trust me, no other club or society will do this for you. So DSC-GMRIT, DSC actually focuses on developing real life projects, so solving real life problems. So this is what DSC at the core DSC-GMRIT does. The second criteria, first criteria was actually impact. The weightage is almost of 50%, and the second criteria upon which you will be judged is the technology which you will be using, and the weightage for it is 40%. So impact has the more weightage. Next is technology. So you should come up with a simpler solutions. You shouldn't make your solutions to be too complex. So you can make use of Google technology, simple Google technologies like Google Cloud, Google Maps, YouTube, and even Firebase. So you can make use of these technologies, and you can come up with a product of your own. And believe me, it is only possible when you are a member of DSC-GMRIT community. So don't miss out a chance. Join now. I hope you are pretty clear about solutions challenge, and now you are full of enthusiasm also. So that you'll be. I hope I see almost all of you in the DSC-GMRIT community. Okay, so now I conclude hereby by saying with your kind attention that I assume that most of you might have got knowledge about DSC-GMRIT. So I look forward to your active participation. So don't wait to join our community and explore a great you with us. So explore a great you with us. Really sounds very good. And sounds very cool, right? Now I welcome I welcome all your questions. So if you have got any queries or questions, feel free to ask them, and I'll acknowledge your questions and all your queries. So post it in the chat box, and somebody please update me with the questions. So if any questions are popped up in the chat box, Kiran, what you can do is you can not Kiran, Venkatesh, as you are there in the meeting and as you are moderator too, what you can do is you can just copy those questions and post it in the chat box in Google Meet, and I'll acknowledge them. Is it fine? Yeah. So one more thing. So Venkatesh, have you engaged people with the activities that we have planned for them?
Yes.
Yeah. So have you asked them the first thing, place and special thing about their place?
Yes.
So have you posted the question? So did you post the answer too?
Yeah, I have posted the answer.
Yeah. So see, in the starting itself, Venkatesh has actually posted a question, place and something special about your place. So the reason why actually we have planned this question is, see, now we are there in the virtual mode, and still we are able to talk to each other through these virtual kind of things through Google Meet or like through Teams or WebEx. We have got technology is evolving day by day. So adapting to the technology is very important. So Google DSC-GMRIT also does the same thing. So it brings a transition from an age-old era to a technical era. So see, we are divided by the places. We are geographically at different location, but still here we are together. So that's the beauty of India and DSC also. So all credits to DSC. For joining us today. The next thing, so has anybody posted any questions in the chat box?
No, Kaushik, not yet. I think all of them are clear with the meeting.
Sorry, I couldn't understand.
Yeah, none of them posted any queries. I think most of them are clear about this meeting.
Okay, I hope the reason why we have organized this info session has reached all of you, and that's where that makes our DSC GMRIT very happy. So all of my core team members are really too happy that we have shared everything with you, and it has reached you. So the most important thing is it reached you or not. So I hope it has reached you too. And the next thing, so after this session, we'll be in coming up maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we'll be coming up with another event. So we'll inform you through mails and even through WhatsApp groups. So we'll contact your CR and we'll inform you. So let me just give a gist about what event we are planning about. So this month completely we are planning about events on Google Cloud. Okay, so our program's name is Google Cloud, and Santosh, we have got Santosh over here. So Santosh is a facilitator for Google Cloud. I congratulate Santosh on everybody's part to be a facilitator, Google Cloud facilitator. Santosh, can you throw some light on Google Cloud for 30 days of Google Cloud?
Yeah, Kaushik. Hello?
You are audible.
Wait a second. I will explain. I have some bandwidth problem. Is it okay now? I am unable to hear your voice.
Yeah, it's okay. Santosh, you can continue.
Yeah. Now it's okay. Yeah. This the name of the program is 30 Days of Google Cloud. In this program, we introduce you to cloud computing application development, big data and machine learning using Google Cloud Trainees platform called Quick Labs. The platform where you are learning is Quick Labs. While learning each of these topics, you can able to create your own applications using Google Cloud, and you can integrate with these Android applications. In these labs, for this labs, you will give some 600 credits. You can use these credits to do some hands-on labs in Google Cloud platform. And in this program, we are going to complete 2 modules in Google Cloud platform. First is like essentials of cloud computing. In this module, you will going to learn what is why cloud computing is very important and how it is shaping the business world. And these are the some important things you can learn in this module. And the second module is very important module. Google made this model for especially for the students, because nowadays we are learning, we are listening some big words like artificial intelligence and machine learning. When we are hearing these words, we are a bit we are thinking that these topics are a bit difficult to us. Why can't we skip these topics and we can go further? So the Google has a solution for this through Google Cloud platform. The machine learning and AI models are in your fingertips. Using your fingertips, you can control them. So Google Cloud is very made that simple. So thanks to the Google for this simplicity. So I will share the link here to enroll in this program. This program is especially for the DSC people, DSC campus. In your campus, if your campus is available with DSC, you can go through the DSC people and ask them about the Google Cloud program. They will fill you about these details. Thank you, Kaustubh.
Santosh, let's provide them with the link, Google Form link a bit later. Okay, we'll be doing that through emails. So let's not post it over here.
They can communicate with their Google Cloud facilitator, because it is completely on their DSC program leads.
Yeah. So we can do that a bit later. So believe me, no other cloud service providers are gonna provide you 600 credits. So AWS, so we have AWS Educate plan also. Our college too has a MOU with MOU with AWS, but it will provide it will provide you only with 100 credits. So Google Cloud is actually giving you 600 credits. So there lies the difference, and you'll be also getting a quick hands-on sessions. Venkatesh, actually,
I want to add one thing.
Okay. When will be the next session? Just a minute. So let me acknowledge this question. When will be the next session? Perhaps this question, our next session would be day after tomorrow. So we won't be stressing you with day-long sessions like 2-hour sessions or day-long sessions. So our sessions won't be there for 6 hours or 3 hours. It will really be very short and very interesting thing. So we'll enlighten you. We'll give you the insight within we'll be giving you the insight within very short time. So that's our speciality. We can do that. That's a great thing actually about us. And Santosh has actually said, so do enroll for this 30 days of cloud program to receive really some cool swags like t-shirts, laptop bags, stickers, and certificates directly from the Google. Okay, so don't miss out this opportunity. So I hope everybody of you might be full of enthusiasm and josh that you will definitely register to this program. See, registration isn't enough. Okay, so there this path is not so simple. So you'll face hardships, but we'll be there to guide you. Okay, we should have any knowledge. Okay,
another question from the chat box.
Yeah, so there is actually no prerequisite, so you need not have any knowledge. So this course, actually what we are going to introduce to you 30 days of Google Cloud. This course is actually for beginners. So even if you have zero knowledge about cloud, okay, how the cloud works, so our course 30 days of Google Cloud course will take you through this. Okay, so you need not have any prerequisites. That's very good thing actually.
Yes.
Venkatesh, any other questions?
Yeah, that's all, Kaushik. I think no other questions raised in the chat box.
Okay, now we are our clock has ticked around 7:03. So maybe wrap up the session, or there are still anyone who wants to comment anything put a question in the chat box. You can do that. We'll be waiting for few more minutes, perhaps for 1 or 2 minutes more.
Yeah, Kaushik, let me talk. we can wait for only 5 minutes because after 5 minutes, IPL matches will dominate us. Okay, no one will be
Okay.
here due to IPL matches.
Yeah.
Yeah. So IPL matches. Yeah. So we have few more minutes. So 1 more minute more. Countdown has begun. So if you're having any questions, please post it. We'll acknowledge it very happily. Okay. So yeah. Why this kind of silence? Kiran, want to say anything? So I was the live session.
Also, there is another question like this.
You
Look
guys.
at
Yeah. So actually, that's very great. Good suggestion. So we'll be also looking into that. We'll be creating a WhatsApp group too, maybe within a few days. Okay. So all of you, I'll be adding all of you to that WhatsApp group, and we'll have a very good time over there. We'll discuss, we'll learn about technologies. Okay. So after this session, probably after 15 more minutes or 20 more minutes, we'll be sharing you another link. So we'll be sending it through mails. So see that you also receive the mail. If you haven't received the mail, try to contact any person who has good rapport with us. So definitely that person's going to receive that feedback form. So not feedback. So so please help us how to help you more. So help us in that regard. Okay, by filling out that form. Okay, how can we prove more useful to you? So time's now around 7:05. So let's wind up this session. Kiran, so shall we stop the live? Bye everyone. Big bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Bye guys. All the best team.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thanks for everything. Thanks for
Expecting all of you to be at our community. So as you can see, this is my dashboard, and here I'll be able to see you. I'll be able to track you. So hope to see you there. Okay. Bye.
Yeah.
Thank you all.
Bye.
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 Kiran, stop the live streaming.